guys, welcome back to my channel Rainbowart. You are watching Rainbowart. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Okay, today I am going to start a paper cutting art and I am going to show you the simplest method how we can cut a paper, and just follow my tutorial and you can cut easily. Let's see. Okay, let's start. At first, what you have to do, you have to take a printout of this picture. I will give the link of this picture in the description. Here you can download. Okay, first take a printout and you have to take another white paper, this one, and you can take another color or different color also, no problem, as you wish. And what you have to do, you have to put this one on this, and then you have to staple these two pages. Okay, okay, then take it here and take it here. Okay, I staple out and I am going to cut this, and for cutting this one you have to take a sharp knife, this one. Okay, and you have to cut very carefully, and after cutting some different pattern or design or drawing, you are able to cut easily. At first you have to do slowly. Okay, let's start. You can start from anywhere. Okay, no problem. My previous video I have done and that picture was very easy, but this is quite difficult. Okay, no problem, let's start and let's try. Okay, and cut very carefully. Okay, I have just complete the cutting, and you can see that you can modify somewhere you want. And for example, I just modified here. I just put another extra line here, and okay, let's see what happened. Carefully. Okay, next I don't need that portion. Okay, this is my cutting portion. Let's see what happened. Okay, this one is the downloaded paper, or I don't need this. I just interested about the paper that I want to cut it, this one, and you can put it on a black paper. If you want to modify this picture, or if you want to add some another design here, you can put it, and you have to draw this here and then cut, and this picture will be very beautiful. Okay, let's try. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment section, and please keep supporting me. I am thankful for your love and support. Keep watching. Stay blessed. Thank you.